better not break my fucking windshield. Oh my God. Oh my fucking God. I have never seen anything like this. Holy shit, look at these fucking things. Look at that. Whoa. Oh my God. Oh my God. What the fuck? Oh shit. This is unreal. I have never seen anything like this. Look at this shit. Is my windshield broken? I don't think it is. All right. Wow. This is a first for me. I've never seen this before. I knew we were going to be in for some wild weather today, but I did not expect this. It hailed a little bit earlier, but Jesus Christ, not like this, nothing like this.